Hey everybody, it's Mike from Landon Custom Classics here. I found a really cool one-of-a-kind tool on Facebook Marketplace. I just had to bring this all to you. It's a Rotor Way piston drill made in Tempe, Arizona. I've done a little digging on these, and the only thing you can find about this drill on Google is there's a guy that posted 4 pictures of one and said the only thing he could find on it was an ad for one in a 1975 Popular Mechanics magazine. So it's a pretty rare piece if you can't find Google or YouTube videos or anything on it. So I'm going to bring you one. So I'm pretty excited about this. I really hope it works good. So what we did, I undid that. They had the chuck for the drill head on here. They had it electrical taped to it so it didn't get lost. That seems to move nice and smooth there. We're kind of going to go through the whole thing, check it out, do a will it run, and if it does run, we're going to test it out because I need to drill some holes in this here table for my vise so we can get that mounted up. So let's go here. Here's your pull rope. We're going to put a better handle on there. I think somebody just put that little ball deal on there because it's what they had. Looked like the old one probably broke. We'll find a nice one off a weed eater or something, heavy duty one. Here's the carburetor. Has a little slat here to turn the choke off and on. It's missing a little air box piece that got broke. So there's supposed to be like a little square air box deal on here from what I've seen in the one picture that they have on the whole internet. Here's your on-off switch. That's going to control your spark. So now once I got this, here's your muffler. Well, I say when I got this, I noticed the spark plug's barely in here finger tight. Okay. We'll rub that off, get a little of this grease and crap off of it. Make sure it's clean there. And we're going to layer up on here. They didn't even have the coil hooked to it, so hopefully we got spark here. See if you guys can see it. Try. Oh, she got lots of spark. See if we can do her down there. I can't pull it very good down there. Anyway, we'll try to get a better view of it here. See if you guys can see the spark. All kinds of spark. Now, the other cool thing about this Rotor Way is an aircraft company. They build airplanes, helicopters, stuff like that. So, probably pretty high-end stuff. And we can't get our socket in there because the ratchet doesn't fit. So I'm going to go grab a 5/8 end wrench real quick. I'll be right back with you. Now your spark plug doesn't have to be super tight, but you want it more than finger tight. So I got a 5/8 end wrench here. This will fit. We're going to give her a good tight chuck there, and then we're going to put a bit in here. So if this does work, we're going to drill some holes. Man, that looks mean. I wanted this thing, even if it just hangs on the wall in here, to look mean. Okay, now we're going to hook our thing up. Now we got to fill our gas tank. This is a really unique thing, especially back in the 60s and 70s. This was kind of a design thing that they did on stuff. The gas tank is part of the handle. You just take this cap off, and it has the original cap, says 20-to-1. Got to watch that because a lot of your 2-stroke fuel is mixed for modern stuff, and they run 40 to 50-to-1. So we're going to try to do this with this modern day piece of crap can. This one actually isn't too bad. Whoa, making a mess. Okay, we got a good bit of fuel in there. Okay, so our carburetor's right there. Our fuel goes down through here. Don't see a primer ball or nothing, but your fuel hose comes out right here. I can see there's nothing in it that I can tell right now. Does look like it'll hold. We're going to put our choke on here. And then on the trigger, it says start. You push the throttle, which this throttle here runs the throttle underneath the carb there. We're going to put her on full choke. Push this to start. Lock the throttle right there at like 3/4, whatever. We're going to give her a go. Whoa! Once she fires, you normally want to open this up a bit. Oh, she's sounding frisky. She smells pretty frisky too. Oh, I killed it. Okay. Try her again. Here's some throttle there. Yeah, I think it's not getting throttle in all the positions or something. We'll give her a little choke. Probably needs the carb clean. Turn off a little choke. Well, she seems to work good. A little smoky in here. Good thing you left the door open. But yeah, a lot of these old tools, they're built to last. So if you know how to operate them, you know how to go through them, check them out properly before you do anything with them like we did, you don't have much to worry about. And this probably isn't the biggest deal if this has an air cleaner on it or not, because I'm not going to run it much. And when I do, it's going to be clean. But if you are using this anywhere where you're even going to have any sawdust flying, you want to cover this. So we'll probably make a little piece on here, find a little air filter, screw her on there. So, whew, man, that was fun. I'm so thrilled to have this old toy running. Like I say, this thing is super rare. You just can't find one. So thanks for tuning in, everybody. Please like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.